Hello, I'm going to show you how to send me your questionnaire. Well, first of all, you need to open this document and you have to add your form here. How can you do it? Well, open your form, your questionnaire, and when you finish, when you make it nice, you can change this, you can change the type of letter, you can add pictures. When you finish, you click here, send, enviar. Click on the link, but you can make the link short. This is not important, but once you have the link, copy, and now you go to this page and you paste it here. But how do you paste it? Look at this sign, this icon plus, click on it. And once you are here in this little window, can you see? I clicked on this icon and I paste and send the link. And now it is loading. Oh, it's finished. So I can publish it. Can you see? That's the way to do it. Please don't send me the questionnaires like as an individual thing. I want all the questionnaires in here on this page. Okay? If you have any questions, I will tell you the answers tomorrow. Maybe not tomorrow, one day. Bye-bye. Thank you.